Alright guys, as you guys can see, it's beautiful weather out. Let me show you guys the sun. It's beautiful, it's nice. You know, we haven't had nice weather in a little while. It's just been cold, but honestly it hasn't really been a cold winter. And there she is. Really excited to take her out. Haven't driven this thing, it's been a couple months, but I think today's the day, you know.
Three hours later.
There she is, guys. Sounding raspy, you know, still cold. I'm letting it warm up. So this is, the car's on teen springs right now. So that's how it's sitting. I'm not keeping these wheels. These are 350Z wheels. But I want to get rid of the wheel gap. So these are 18s. I'm probably going with 19s. Not sure what wheels. If you guys know, leave a comment, tell me what wheels I should go with. But yeah, we got to get rid of that wheel gap. Maybe get spacers, I don't know yet. We got to see. Okay guys, so we got the BC coils over here. Just want to show you guys how they look like. They're shining, they're brand new. Come with top hats. And this is our boy Tar.
What's going on?
He's gonna be helping us with the coils. So anytime you guys take out your wheel, I like to keep my lug nuts right here, so you never lose them, you know? So then it was very easy for these little things to go around, roll under the car, and you can't find them. Alright guys, spring is out. I just got these two bolts over there to get out, and strut should come right out. There you go. So we took out the spring and loosen up these bolts over here, and now we gotta get, you guys can't see, but we gotta get two bolts right there. Here's a spring, teen springs, and once that's out, the strut will come right out. Alright guys, so we just put in the BC coils. Didn't get a chance to show you guys because it was night, we finished late. The next morning I had to adjust the coils because it was at the stiffest setting. So I had to actually take out the strut, adjust it, and now I want to show you guys how it looks like, the final result. Okay guys, so this is the rear. I didn't go too low. These are my winter tires, they're 18s. I'm hoping to go with 19s. You can see there's like a 2-finger gap. I didn't want to go too low. And the front, I need to adjust it again. I could go another inch. And these are also 18s. I just want to see how the coils would ride. I want to break them in, so when I get the 19s, I can get a feel for the height I want to go for. The other side is the same. Thank you guys for watching. This is the first video. I hope you guys like it. I gave you guys a little video of how we did everything. So if you guys are looking to do this to your G, I'm running the BC coils, you guys know. So thank you guys for watching. We're gonna end the video with a montage. Have fun.
Hey, guess you always cooking up.